Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Explorer's Compass in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just bought this Explorer's Compass from the Safari shop. And if you want to buy this item, you will need 1 million shekels. And then I'm going to show you guys the function of this item. And I'm going to go to my garden, and basically this compass can point toward the most valuable fruit or plant on your garden. And to use this compass, you just need to click anywhere and there will be an arrow like this. So my most valuable fruit or plant is here. Yeah, and I think it's useless, but you can buy it if you want to spend your shekels. If you have a lot of shekels, you can try to buy this Explorer's Compass. And yeah, this is just for fun, not really useful. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.